See, in the stack, first of all, you have taken the empty list.
Yeah.
Okay, you have taken the empty list. Here you have taken a choice of between these three things, what you have to run.
Okay.
If the choice is yes, then these three things will be taken as an output. So when you run the program, these three things will come, and in these three things, you have to enter which choice you are choosing. It means choice is yes, that's why you are choosing now.
Mm-hmm.
Huh? So first of
Yeah.
all, we have to insert the element. If you will not, i- if your choice is 2, suppose if your choice is
Mm.
2, then there is no element in the stack. In the
Okay.
list, there is no element. So it will be
Mm.
what? Underflow.
Okay. Okay.
It will be what? Underflow. Why underflow? Because there is empty list is there.
Okay.
Right? Correct?
Ma'am.
So here I have taken a what? Here I have taken a choice 1 to insert the elements. Okay?
Mm.
Inserting the element in the stack is known as what? Push.
Push.
Okay? So when I have inserted, when I said that I have chosen 1, so between these three things, it has chosen what? 1. The cursor has gone to the 1.
Ma'am.
Clear? So the flow of
Yes.
execution is how? 1, 2, 3. In that, I have chosen first 4. Then I have chosen 1. So obviously the executions and the 4 also, no? Then the
Ah.
execution has gone to 5. Okay, if I have chosen 1. So it has gone to now 6.
Oh, 1 second.
See, first step
Uh,
1, 2, 3. It has
yeah.
displayed as an output. I have
Yeah.
taken and then the 4. It has been taken
Uh,
to choose 1. So now I
okay.
have choose to 1. In that, it has now searched which one is there. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, it has scanned. And then again go to 8. Oh, I want the first one.
Okay.
First, he has scanned now. Where is the 1? Where is
Mm-hmm.
C is equals to 1? For that, it has gone to A, Elif, and else. Clear?
Okay.
After
Hmm.
scanning these three, it has said that, oh, it is if. Oh, it is if. Then here, these two lines are only for your pop, where you are inserting the elements. Here, it is a
Okay.
number. That's why we have taken as a what? Int input, enter the number.
Interv input. Hmm.
Okay. If it is a
Mm-hmm.
just a string, you will use what? Input, enter the element.
Ma'am, but it says enter the element which you want to push. So why is it for pop?
It is not pop. Sorry, it is a pop push. Sorry, not pop. I'm saying push. I'm writing pop.
Okay. Okay.
It is for push. We are inserting the
Mm-hmm.
element.
Hmm.
Pop is this one.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, no, this is not the pop. This is underflow. Yeah, this is
Yeah,
pop.
well, that is under.
This is pop. And this is for your, this is totally out of the list. Wrong input. Okay. Whatever
Okay.
element you have given, that is not in your list. Okay.
Okay.
So that is a different thing. So this is for your push. So push here, you have to use what? Append function. Append means what? Adding the elements in the list. In the
List.
list function, whenever we have to add the elements, we use always what? Append function,
Append.
right?
Hmm.
Correct? Now any
Yes.
doubt?
I know, ma'am.
Very good. Now you can see here also in the programs, we just said that I have given you. See here. It is there like that. Write a Python
Yes.
function, make push package. Here you have to remember it, bacha. Whatever the name is there inside the parameter,
Hmm.
okay? In the
Yeah.
parameter, whatever the name is there, that is your list name.
Okay.
Just like here, book is the list name.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, if suppose here is the parameter name is what? Package. So what we will say? Package equal to empty list. Here
Okay.
book is there. So book
Ma'am.
is equals to empty list. And we have to append in the list name. So what we will say? Book dot append.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? And whatever the variable name we are adding it here. A is equals to input enter the name. So we will add this variable name. So this is about the push function. Okay. Now let's talk about the pop one. If suppose, and here, wait a sec, I'm telling you here also. In Q also you can see same. What I said, both are same. In Q also, if you can see, choice is there. Instead of stack, we are taking Q here. Just we are changing the name. Okay, just like here, there in the book is the stack, book is the list name, right? Now, here also you have to, instead of stack, here we are using Q here. Same is there. Instead of push and pop, we are writing it what? Insert and delete, or either NQ and DQ. It's your wish. Clear, Saket?
Ma'am.
Huh? Now here we have to write the choice. After writing the choice, it has gone to C is equals to 1 because here right now we have to insert the element. So A is equals to input enter the number and Q dot append because the list name is what? Q. Q dot append A. It's same as it is.
Yes.
Correct? Just the only thing in Q and stack is this function. Here we are writing Q dot pop 0 because why 0? 0 is the index number of the first element because in Q is what? First in, first out. Okay.
Yes.
So in the Q, and suppose we are adding 8, 2, 4, 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 is the first index number. So I have to assign the first index number now. If I will not
Yes, ma'am.
assign, then it will do what? It will pop out the last
Pop
element.
out.
Right? Then it
Yes,
becomes
ma'am.
what? Stack. That is first
Stack.
in, last out.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Because of that reason, in the queue, we have to write the index number of 0 element. 0 is the index number of the first element. Is this clear?
Yes,
Only
ma'am.
this much of difference is there between stack and queue. Otherwise, just all the things are same. Now see here in the stack. Wait a second. Now, see here. If I'm taking, we have to pop out. So I have taken a choice 2. Okay, I have taken a choice 2. So if stack is equals to empty list, whatever the list of elements are there in this. So if it is a book, then you will write if a book is equals to list, empty list. If it is a package, if package is equals to empty list. Understood this part? So here you have to write, if it is a queue, if Q is equals to empty list. So you have to write the name, what you have taken in the list, for the list.
Okay.
Understood, Saket? Any doubt up till here?
Name, ma'am.
Very good. If it is written there, so print empty stack. If the list is empty, then print empty stack because it is a underflow.
Underflow.
Right? If there is nothing in there in this, because this list is what? Empty. If list is empty, then it is underflow. If it is not, then you have to write only this stack dot pop without 0, without any index number. If you will write index number 0, then it will be what? Q.
Okay. Okay.
That's it. Over.
But
And
here, if stack is, let's say there's something inside the stack.
it goes
Stack.
to else now, then it will pop.
Okay.
If it is empty, then it is underflow. If it is
then
there,
it's
it has
underflow.
gone to else part, no? If it is there, if it is empty, then underflow.
Yeah,
If it
because
is
you
not
can't
empty,
pop anything from an empty stack. So it'll be underflow.
Correct.
So if something is actually inside the stack, then it'll go to else and it'll actually pop out that element.
And the function, that function is what? Stack dot, whatever the list name is there, dot
Okay.
pop with the
Okay.
empty parenthesis.
Okay.
If you will write 0, that is the index number if you are writing. If you are not writing index number, then it goes to stack. It means last element will delete it. If you are
Okay.
inserting the index number that is 0, then the first element will be deleting
Deleted.
out. Is this clear? Only
Yes,
this
ma'am.
much is coming in your exam. And you can see here also in the next part. See, everything is same. If Q is equals to 0, empty list, then Q is empty. Okay, that is underflow. Else, delete element Q dot pop and 0 is there.
Okay, ma'am.
Easy peasy.
Yes.
Now come to the
Ma'am.
numerical part. Okay, where question is asking. So you have done the package, you have understood the push function. Now, if it is a queue, you have to write what? Package.pop. 0. Right,
Okay.
Saket? If it is a
Yes.
push, if it is a stack, you have to write dot what? List function name
List function.
dot pop.
Okay, list function name dot pop.
List function name is what? Here function name is list name is what?
Package.
Package.
So
Right?
here, therefore, it's package dot pop.
Perfect. Any more doubt? Similarly here.
More.
If it is list is empty, it will be underflow case. If it is list is not empty, we have to delete it. See the next question also. Book is equals to pop dot book dot pop.
Okay.
Okay. If you go to the next question also, you explain me this one. Come on, start explaining me. Fast. I'm listening.
Um. Second. Okay. I have to explain this one.
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, we're defining the file function. Sorry, file name. First of all, it's push package on top. So we are first defining push package. Then they're asking us to add the details of the employee, like EMP ID, name, and salary. So first we'll mention EMP ID, as it will be ID will be a value or a numerical
Perfect.
value. So it'll be int of input, enter employee ID. EMP name won't be any numerical value, so you can directly input it and import enter employee name. Salary again will be a numerical value, so int of input, enter employee salary.
Perfect. Then
And then we're using t as a variable just to say just to append it. So we need something there. So we're just giving it a value. EMPID imponom salary, we're giving it t, and then we're appending the t which so that we can add it to whenever we come. Then we are defining the pop package. In pop package, we are saying that if package is equal to an empty stack, then we can then print underflow, as when we try to pop an empty stack, underflow function occurs.
very good.
If not, we're using else function. We're saying print that it's a deleted element, because a deleted
Delete
element, comma,
element.
okay, sorry,
Delete.
delete element package dot pop.
Very good. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you do it this question by yourself. Come on, in your notebook.